Libra Shaman, Mystical Shaman's message for you is the hummingbird. This mighty being comes to teach you stillness in motion and to trust your inner knowing that the sweetest nectar is assured. Failing to act when the moment is right can spoil your journey. If you feel your safety, comfort, or day-to-day survival are more important than saying yes to the invitation to explore the unknown, you will have to work much harder to achieve what is being offered to you freely now. Still your mind, even in the midst of your very hectic schedule, and heed the gentle voice that calls you to new wings. Despite being little, hummingbirds are great journeyers, migrating between North and Central or South America to feed from the summer nectar. This gentle creature can fiercely territorial to protect its home. Hummingbird teaches us to be gentle to ourselves and protect our personal space. It invites you to embark on your epic quest, bypass the dung pile of old pain and hurts, head for the flowers, and learn to trust the calling you hear ever so softly. Remember, the pain of the past does not define who you are. Now, if you feel the sound of your hummingbird wings preparing you to say yes to a new adventure, this is not the time to linger on what has gone wrong, but to trust in the rightness of the moment and take bold action. Trust that success is assured, even if you must face tests and challenges to reach your destination. Know that all will be well because the all is in the small. Like, subscribe, and enlighten someone else.